All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to waste no more time and get right into today's topic, which is regarding Bonk itself. Because if we're looking at Bonk right now, it's up 52.8%. Bonk did not want to, hang around, while Pepe was getting a lot of, attention. And, we're seeing Bonk taking its way back above, Pepe's spot right now. So, we're starting to see a little bit of a battle. But, to be quite frank with you guys, if you want to know my personal opinion, and again, if you are a day-to-day viewer of mine, you guys know that I would pick Bonk over Pepe if anyone were to come and ask me for my personal opinion. Reason as to why this is the case is because of the team behind Bonk. They do massive giveaways to the community, and the way they engage with the community is such a unique way that I have not seen even with the likes of Shiba Inu. So that puts it edge against Pepe. And on top of that, being listed on Coinbase, remember, getting listed on Coinbase is a huge deal, and Bonk is currently listed on Coinbase as well as all the major exchanges. And as we are seeing the Solana ecosystem heating up, we're going to see the Bonk price also go up with it. Right now, if we're looking at the SPL meme coins, Solana meme coins, they're absolutely outpacing Ethereum meme coins right now, which is really exciting. So if we're looking at majority of the market, let's not kind of take the entire market out of context as well. We're seeing the entire market up right now tremendously. We're in a bull market. Bull market has started. If you don't think that, then I hope you guys look again and really realize where we are currently sitting at. So that's of course really nice to see. If you want to look at it on the weekly time frame, Bonk is up 81.9%, and you can pretty much see the market cap is back above the $1 billion mark, to be exact, 1.36 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $800 million. And you can see the rank is at that top 68 spot. So, going back to what I've said continuously, meme coins do generally have higher risk. But when things do turn around, and if you were to pick the right meme coin, this can really single-handedly take your portfolio to the next level. And that's why, these massive exchanges are listing it, because, there is massive amounts of demand for these meme coins. And yes, this bull market, in my personal opinion, I think Bonk has the ability to take over Shiba Inu. Yep, even though Shiba Inu is killing it right now, but remember, the entire market is up, so we cannot forget this right now. Literally, the entire crypto market is up, so everything is obviously going to react to that momentum. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if we're looking at this, you can see Solana meme coin Bonk becomes the biggest 24-hour gainer amongst top coins. You can see this for yourself. We're looking at 82.4% gain over the past 7 days, and I think even higher than that, and that should speak for itself. But now let's take it a step further, see what is happening with the price. Of course, we're going to start off with none other than Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin has been gaining insane amount of traction, and at this point, guys, I'm sure the people that do watch me on a regular basis know the significance of that sideways momentum that we were seeing over the last 2 to 3 weeks. I was continuously reminding people that the fact that Bitcoin is trading sideways at a key resistance is really bullish. And I said, once we get into the 23.6, we will push back up to 60K. And honestly, it has caught me by surprise as well as everyone else. We saw the price of BTC go back above 60K without any issue at all. And we have seen a daily candle close above here. And at this rate, guys, it seems like we could be seeing an all-time high, before the halving, which is absolutely crazy to think about. So the month of February has been the biggest month, in my opinion, over the past few months in terms of bullish momentum. But now if we're looking at Bonk's price right now, look at this beautiful candle towards the upside. So of course we made our way back above that key resistance level, which I was speaking about to you guys yesterday. And then remember this resistance I spoke about that was 1760. We literally cleared out of there without an issue. Of course, we had some resistance out there. We were having a little bit of a hard time, but but the buying pressure was just too large. And Bonk did not have a hard time breaking out of that range. So if you want to put this move into perspective, let's go back just on the 24th. Pretty much everything around the 24th has been pumping, from that range. But if you were to look at Bonk itself, look at it. We are up 94% in the last 4 to 5 days alone. And this is just a little bit of a hint to what the market can do, especially in this bullish momentum that we're seeing right now. Life-changing gains can be made in a snap of a finger. And right now, majority of the coins in the crypto space are pumping like crazy. But this is what I want a lot of people to understand. Now, this is where we completely could forget about, that this market can also turn around. There could be some massive manipulation that could occur, and I would not even be surprised. I'm expecting, when Bitcoin halving does take place, we are going to see a retracement. But at this rate, I think we could see an all-time high before, the Bitcoin halving does take place. So of course, we need to keep these factors in mind. But if you are one of the Bonk holders and you were picking up during this consolidation phase, locking in some profits never hurts. Don't let these other people's comments get to you, because at the end of the day, profit is profit. If you are walking with massive amounts of profits and you have a big smile on your face, doesn't matter if it goes up even more, as long as you feel good that you actually locked some profits in. That's what it's all about. But if you're okay with it, that's fine. Then obviously if you want to hold it till the end of the year or early next year, that's all up to you. But right now, what is the next target? That is the question that you guys might have for Bonk. So of course, right now, one thing also we need to know is Sol. Sol is up 18.7% on the weekly time frame and 13.3% on the daily time frame. So it's definitely react to the Solana move as well right now. And if Solana is able to break into a new yearly high, we're very, very close for Sol to break into a new yearly high. If that happens, I'm expecting that Bonk could make its way back up to the next key resistance obviously is at 22.8, where we did get stopped up. If that is able to clear out, we could be talking about all-time highs. We could be talking about all-time highs at this point, which is a move of another, you could say, 68.5%. Of course, some resistance coming in its way. We're going to take it one step at a time. But after clearing this 2264 resistance, the next major resistance is around the 2682. And in order for us to retest the 2682, that's a 28.10% move from the current price level. So that's how I'm currently taking a look at. So far, so good. I still personally think, again, my own personal opinion, I do think that this bull run, we will see Bonk take over Shiba Inu's market cap. Shiba Inu's market cap is at $8 billion right now. Of course, it's having a great time. Pretty much everything is having a great time, especially if you're looking at it on the 7-day time frame. But I think, the momentum, the fresh new eyes on Bonk could really trigger this to actually battle it out to get to that level. But again, that's my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell. But do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.